Hey guys, what's up? This is lesson 14 in JavaScript tutorials. So, if you remember in the previous lesson, we just look at some JavaScript functions and we just write some code with that. Today we're going to look at some another type of functions that we're going to use a lot in our codes. So let's get into it and see what's the type of function. That type of function is our function. So actually, it's the same thing with another types of functions, but because our functions allow us to write shorter than them, so we're writing shorter function syntax. So that's why we're going to use a lot. We're going to use our functions in our codes a lot. So let's get into it and write some code. So this is how we define our function. We are writing our function's name, then we are writing our parentheses that we are going to enter parameters here. Then we are writing an arrow with equal sign and greater sign. Then we do this again, equal sign and greater sign. Then we are opening this brackets and we're writing code here. So yeah, let's just copy this and let's just write var my function equals, I'm opening and closing the parentheses, and I'm doing an arrow, and then here we go. So I'm going to write console.log hello this is an arrow function. So let's call it. Let's just one. I'll just close this. So it does nothing because we didn't call it. Let's call it function. Yeah, let's find and see what happens. Hello there, this is an arrow function. So let's do this arrow function. Let's practice it a lot more. So let's enter here in the parameters like name and surname. Then I'm going to enter console.log name plus name because we're going to use this parameter. And I'm going to write console.log surname and surname. This. So I'm going to enter here an email and then I'm going to enter a password. So let's just run it and see what happens. We're entering our parameters in this parenthesis, so just don't forget it. This parenthesis. So let's just run it again and see what happens. Name equals to email and surname is the password. So let's build on a calculator, yeah? I think we can do it, yeah. So I'm going to say var addition. I'm going to say num1 then I need to just put our function here. So I'm just going to console.log a plus b. Then var multiplication multiplication slash b. Let me just multiplication. So multiplication. Let's just add equals sign here, and then I will and writing console.log multiplied by b var subtraction and they will say fp say console.log b var division arrow here and console.log and I divided by b, a divided by b. So let's just add another function here. So function check calculator. So I'm going to say if we're going to call a function. So, and just say okay, yeah, okay. Operation. Yeah. I want to say if yeah, which operation, and I'm going to say case equals to plus sign, then use this, then and also I'm going to addition 1 and 2. And I'm just going to try the and I'm going to say here subtraction minus multiplication and division. Yeah. So also I'm going to default that console.log that have no operation like that. So I'm just going to here we go. We just write this. Just let me delete this comments. So this is how we write it. So let's just go and check alt. I'm going to say plus sign, then I'm going to say 5 and 3. Probably it should return us 8. So let's just try and see what happens. 8, yeah. If it was minus, then 2, it was multiplication operator. 15 was division. Let's just do it. 21 plus 7. Yeah, it works. That's how we're building a calculator with these functions. That's cool, yeah? So I hope you enjoyed it. Well, see you in the next lesson. Bye.